Hi friends! Look at these colorful number blocks. I stacked them up. Yay! Oh! Blocks crashed down. So silly, right? Now, let's build again. Let's knock down the block tower again. Now, let's build again. Crash. Build. So fun. Now, let's put the number blocks here. Let's build a small tower. Let's use 2 blocks number 2 and 1 block number 1. Then, 3 blocks number 3 and stack 2 and 1 on top. Up, up. Let's count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks. Yay! Now, put 4 blocks number 4. Then, stack all blocks number 3, 2, and 1 on top. Whoa! Block tower almost fell down. Let's turn the tower. Count the blocks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks. Bye-bye. Tap the subscribe button so we can play again soon.